Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a landmark or place from Google Map using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Map on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Use the search bar to look up the landmark or location you want to remove, or just tap on the map if you know where it is. Once the location appears, tap on it, name or address at the bottom of the screen. This will open a full details of that place. Now scroll down and tap on suggest and edit. Now you will see two options: change name or other details, close or remove. Tap on this one. Next, choose why the landmark should be removed. Then tap submit or send. Google will review your suggestions, usually within a few days. If it meets the criteria, the landmark will be removed from the map. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.